Bye.
No, not goodbye. I said, how are you today?
Goody, goody, goody.
Okay, what you make today? What is
I'm
it?
done. It's a kicker.
It's a kicker. Okay, is it pretty hard? Any challenge for you?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what challenge for you?
Challenge is I always do the kicker, the part that is kicking and part that holds the kicking thing up. It's always the wrong way.
Oh, okay, but now you know how to fix it, right? Okay, question for you. Can you tell me?
Maybe I'm gonna do it next time.
Yeah, we can if you want. Okay, can you tell me? Can you tell me on the screen what is it?
I'm going to build a.
Can you tell me?
This is the start. This is the movement, and I don't know what this is.
Tell me what is the difference for the movement? Show me.
Because this one is like this. I'll show you that.
Oh, a cake. Okay.
And then the other one. Look at the ball. I don't mean to do that. Look at the ball.
Yeah, just move that one.
I can't move one of them.
No, that's okay. You can hold it to move the whole set and move that one to the up. Yeah, and move that one to the up. Just move that one. Click it. Move it to the up. Yeah, you're right. Put it back. Do one more time. Hold the finger. Don't release. Move until you match. Okay, now you can release. Release your finger. Yeah. Now, click one more time for me, please.
Ow.
See the difference? Tell me what's different.
The difference is it kicks the other way.
The other way. Okay, you got it. Okay, thank you. Oh, you watch out. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye.
I'm gonna kick myself.
No, don't do that.